Today we will be seeing how the OpenCart multi-cart plugin allows the customers to add products to different categories to the cart under the distinct label names. So as you can see right now, here we have the multi-cart, and I've created different labels like the watch, fashion, default, shoes, electronics, food. And now what as a customer I can do is I can log into my account, I can navigate to any of the product pages. For example, I want to add this into my multiple cart there. Then what I can do is from the product page I can directly tap here on the multi-cart button, and that will bring up a pop-up to select a label where I want to add this particular product to. So from here the customer can create a new label. For example, if we choose the add new label, I'll set it at hats, and we'll tap here on the submit button. Now you can see that the product has been added to our multi-cart, and if I go back to our multi-cart here and if I refresh this particular page, then we'll have one more category type or the label name as hat. So here we have the hats, and I've added one product to it. We can remove the product from that particular label, and the products that we have added under our multi-cart can also be added into the cart to make a checkout by choosing the product from that particular label, and then tapping here on the checkout button, and these products would then automatically be added to your cart so that you can make a direct checkout thereafter. Now to reach the multi-cart, you can see this particular icon at the top in the header of the website here. So a customer needs to log in and then tap here on this icon, and that would bring up the multi-cart section with all of the uh, what we say as the labels that the customer has already created. And under those labels, the customer can add multiple categories from the web store, and the products that belong to those categories, that can be added here within the labels that you have already created. So if I go back to one of the products, for example this product, and let's tap here on the multi-cart button. Now I had created hats, it is also visible once again. Now if I add this to the food, and let me tap here in the submit button. Now let's go back and let me refresh my multi-cart here, and then we'll go to the food section. So now the hats has been removed and the product has been added to the food label, as you can see right now. And from here we can also manage the labels. So if I tap here on the multi-cart manage labels, we'll be able to find all of the labels that we've created. So here we have the hats and the rest. If you want to delete any, you can choose and you can tap here on the delete button to delete that particular multi-cart label that you have created. And before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our video, tap the bell icon to receive the latest updates, and give this particular video a thumbs up if you like it. And now that's basically how we can do it. From the product page we can tap on the multi-cart to add the product to the different labels that we have created for our products, as I've already shown you. And we can navigate to the multi-cart by tapping here on this icon at the header top, and that would take us to the multi-cart section. You can also delete the labels that you have created by tapping here on the multi-cart manage label. Choose your particular label that you want to delete and tap here on the delete button. And if you want to add products directly to your cart to make a checkout, now you can choose your products from multiple labels as well, and then you can tap here on the checkout button, and these products would also be added to your checkout. We already had few products, now I added some more, and now they're ready to be checked out. And to remove any of the products from the labels that you've created, you can just tap here on the remove button, and now you can see that fashion would that particular product and that particular fashion label has been removed, and now we have the rest of all the ones. And if I tap here, you'll see that this black and white straw would be removed from the foods label. So that was much about this particular plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this plugin basically works, how you can create the multi-carts, how you can create different label sections like food, watches, and others, and then you can add the products from the product page into your multi-cart so that you can save it for a later time. And from here within your multi-cart, you can add your product, and you can transfer them into your checkout page to place the order for those products as well. And apart from that, you can add multiple products into multiple uh, labels that you've created. You can also manage your labels. So that was it, and thanks for watching this particular video. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise the ticket at webcool@uvides.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.